You are going to connect the Wi-Fi with your smartphone and go to the website. The website contains 3 buttons, including Open Door, Set Password and RFID card, and Set Mode. For the initialization, we need to set our own password and RFID card through this button. Click this button, and then you can set your own password. For example, 111. When you finish inputting, you can click the sharp sign. The maximum length of password should not more than 20 numbers. Now you can put your RFID tag onto the RFID card reader. You can see RFID card set. Now you can input your password 111 and then done. Put your RFID card onto the reader. You can see the door is unlocked. Now we can check the switch to unlock the door. You can see the door is unlocked. And we can check the open door button from this website. You can also see the door is unlocked. Now we can change the mode into more efficient mode. Input 1. Now you can change the mode to click Set Mode button.